Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome you all for today's video lecture. This is second module's ninth video class. Today's topic for discussion is IP address. We'll see IP address, web browser, search engine, then URL. These all things we'll see today. In previous video class, we have seen the service provided by internet, means what type of service provided by the internet, that we have seen in previous video. In today's video class we shall discuss IP address and different things. So first one is IP address. IP address means what? IP means internet protocol address. This is the full form of IP, internet protocol address. An IP address, or simply an IP, is a unique address, means it is a unique address given to each device, or each this is uniquely given a number for that device. See here, an IP address or simply an IP is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet. Means how you can identify the device. See here, you all are identified with your name. You have a different name to everyone. For example, see, student. So each student has a unique registration number. This is the with the help of this registration number. This particular registration number is particular persons, means we can identify easily. Similarly, if you want to identify the device, for each device has a unique number or unique address. So we with the help of this address, unique address, we can find out that device. An IP address, or simply an IP, is a unique address that identifies a device on the internet or a local network. It allows a system to be recognized by other systems connected via the internet protocol. Means how one device is connected to the other device. With the help of this uniquely identified address, that one device is connected to another device. There are two primary types of IP address: IPv4 and IPv6. These are the types of the IP address. Internet protocol is connectionless and unreliable protocol. Every machine on a network has a unique identifier, means every device has a unique identification number, means identified. This is unique address. With the help of this unique address, we find out that device. If for example, see, if you lost your phone, how you find out your device? So with this with the help of this unique identification number for your mobiles, means that is a unique address is given to that device. With the help of this unique identifier address, we can find out the device, where exactly the device is uh, you lost. Okay, this is called as your unique, this is a unique number given to each device. Then URL means what? The full form of URL is uniform resource locator. A uniform resource locator is the address of a resource on the internet. Means this is a address. With the help of this address, how we find out the information on internet, how we can search the information on internet? With the help of this URL, with the help of this uniform resource locator address, we search the information on internet. The URL indicates the location of a resource as well as the protocol used to access it. Means it is, if you want to access some information, so this is a unique, this is a location of resource. It will find the location of that information. With the help of this URL, we find out the easily we can access the information. A client that wants to access a web page needs the address. So we need a address if you want to find out the, if you want to access the that web page. The Uniform Resource Locator is standard for specifying any kind of information on the internet. With the help of this URL, we find out the any type of information on the internet. The URL defines four things: protocol, host computer, port, and path. With the help of these four things, we find out the resource, means easily we find out that information with the help of this URL. URL contains the following information: the protocol used to access the resource, the location of the server, where on which server exact that information is stored. With the help of this URL, we find out easily the port number on the server. These all are the URL contains the following this type of information. Then web page. What you mean by web page? A web page is a set of data, means number of information is placed in that page. This is called as a web page. See, as you see, the RCU website is www.rcub.ac.in. This is one. This is the website of RCU. On one website, there are number of web pages. Means if you want the result, if you clicked on result, suddenly result page will open. This is one web page. If you want the syllabus, if you clicked on syllabus, suddenly the syllabus page will open. This like this. If you clicked on different pages, means number of pages will open. So if you clicked on different address, so number of pages will open. This is called as a web page. So web page is a set of data. In each web page there is a set of data or lot of information on that page. This is called as a web page. That data or information that is designed to be viewed as part of a website. So web page is a part of the website. In one website there are number of web pages, and on web page the set of information or set of data is placed. A web page can contain huge information including text, graphics, audio, video, and hyperlinks. These hyperlinks are the link to other web pages. Means how one web page is connected to other web page with the help of this link hyperlink. With the help of hyperlink, we connect with the other web page. Means one web page is connected to the another web page with the help of this hyperlinks. Hyperlinks looks like a blue color and it is underlined. If you clicked on that, suddenly a different page will open. So one web page is connected to the other web page with the help of this hyperlink. Then website. What you mean by website? A collection of linked web pages on web server is known as website. Means a collection of number of web pages on the web server. This is called as a website. In one website there are number of web pages. On web pages the lots of data or lots of information is placed. There is uniform resource locator. URL is associated with each web page. Means URL is associated with each web page. On different page there is a URL. With the help of this URL we can find out the different types of information. Website is a location on web and is hosted on a web server. It is a set of related web pages. It is accessed using internet address known as uniform resource locator. So this is a web pages. It is accessed using internet address known as URL. With the help of this URL we find out the number of web pages, and all web pages are connected with one another. This is number of web pages is called as a website. Then web browser means what? A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. Means how we can search the information. This is one of the software. So with this, with the help of this software, we can easily access the information. Means easily we can search the information on World Wide Web. A web browser can show text, audio, video, animation, and more to retrieve and display them on the user's device. The most popular web browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera Mini. There are different kinds of web browser. As you see on your mobile screen, see these all are web browsers. With the help of these applications, we search the information on internet easily. So if you want to search any type of information on World Wide Web, so with the help of these applications, easily we search the information on internet. This is called as a, these small pictures are called as a web browsers. Google Chrome, this is a Google Chrome, then Mozilla Firefox, then Internet Explorer, then Opera Mini, and this is a uh, mm, different web browsers. There are different types of web browsers. Normally we all are using this Google Chrome and Internet Explorer to access the, means search the information. This is called as a web browser. Then search engine. What you mean by search engine? Search engine is a service that allows internet users to search for content via the World Wide Web. A user enters keywords or key phrases into a search engine and receives a list of web contents results in the form of websites, images, videos, or other online data. See here, if you want to search information with the help of web browser, we search the information on internet. If you clicked on, if you are using the Google Chrome browser, if you clicked on Google Chrome, suddenly one page will open. In that, this type of image will open. This is a Google. This is called as a search bar. This is search bar is called as a search engine. And Yahoo, this is another example of the search engine. These are the two examples of the search engine: Yahoo search engine and Google search engine. This type of Google and search bar will open on your computer or mobile. In this search bar, whatever information you want to search, that keywords we type on this search bar. This is called as a search engine. With the help of this search engine, we can search the all type of information on World Wide Web or on internet. Then HTML. HTML means what? HTML. What is the full form of HTML? So we'll see this HTML means what? What is the full form of HTML in next video class.